Hello there YouTube. Today I am unboxing a mobile case. It's from Element Case. It's black and red. It is aluminium and leather, made premium leather. So let's see. It's for the Huawei P9. Jag har en liten manual här hur man ska göra. Och här är själva skalet. It feels very nice in the hand. So, and here are some bumpers you put on the side. Bumper on the side so you get the volume up and down and the power button. So they get bigger, so easier to press. Some screws and so now I'm gonna put the case on and see how it looks. We got the P9. So now the case is on. This is how it looks. You get access to the buttons, access to the fingerprint reader, you can see, and the buttons, and you get a cutout for the porch, so that's nice. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like this video.